Very good morning, students. Today you are going to write your September monthly test. So let us do the revision section. The test portion is Unit 2, Addition and Subtraction. First we will see the 1 marks revision. As per the pattern, first Roman letter and the second Roman letter will be 1 mark questions, fill-ups and the match. So what are the possible questions in this unit, addition and subtraction? Let me explain to you. First sum is dash plus 799 is equal to 800. Look at the fact of addition and subtraction, children. So now the addition facts, when we are adding 1 with any number, we are going to get the next successor number. So 1 should be given in the answer. Second question is 397 plus dash is equal to 398. Similarly, the fill in the blanks will change the places, but it should be the 1 because 397 plus 1 we are going to get the next successor number. Next third sum also similarly 849 plus 1 we are going to get the 850, the successor number. Next property is whenever we are adding a 0 with any number, we are going to get the same number. 4320 plus 0 is equal to 4320. Dash plus 9621 is equal to 9621. Fifth sum, similarly the answer is 0. Sixth sum also 279 plus 0 is equal to 279. Seventh one is 1 more than 999. When we add 1 with this, we are going to get the successor number, that is 1000. Eighth one is successor of 4939 is equal to 4940. Ninth one is a 5 more than 300. If the number is given like this, we need to add. 5 more than means we need to add, 5 less than means we need to subtract. So here 5 more than means you have to add 300 plus 5, 305. Next coming to the next property is order of the number. If you change the order of the number, the answer is going to get is the same. So if I'll add 1 plus 2 plus 3, otherwise 2 plus 1 plus 3, the answer is going to be get the same. The 10th one is 36 plus dash is equal to 12, and the next side, right hand side 17 plus 12 plus dash. So which number is missing in the right and the left side, we can compare and fill it. Next 11th one is 349 plus dash is equal to 485 plus 349. Which number is missing in that left hand side? It is 485. Next 12th one is 48 plus 11 is equal to, just to do the horizontal addition, 8 plus 1 in the 1's place, so it is 9. 4 plus 1 in the 10th place, it is 5. Next 13th question, 390 plus 100. So 100 place we need to add 1. 300 plus 1, 400. The answer is 490. Coming to the subtraction properties now. 14th one is 5207 minus dash is equal to, the same number is given means we need to subtract 0. 15th also same thing, and 16th one is we need to subtract 1 means we are going to get the predecessor number. 17th question 6413 minus dash is equal to 6412. So the predecessor number, so we need to subtract 1. Next 18th question is next property. The same number when we are subtracting, we are going to get the 0 is the answer. 388 minus 388 is 0, and 19th one is 0 minus 0, always 0. Next 20th question is the predecessor of 89 is 88. Taking away 1, that is nothing but a predecessor number. So 40 minus 1 is 39. Coming to the 22nd question, 5000 minus 100. So 4900. 23 question, 800 minus 300 is equal to 500. And next the 24 and 25 is the addition and subtraction together sums. 100 plus 300 minus 200. Always do the addition first, and the second step is subtraction. 100 plus 300 is 400. 400 minus 200 is 200. Next 25th question. 800 minus 500 plus 100. First thing addition, 800 plus 100 is 900. 900 minus 500 is 400. That's it. The 1 mark revision is over now. Now coming to the 2 marks revision, we have 5 questions. 5 2s are 10. So first one is find the addition, that is find the sum. They given the number here 48,270 plus 82,608. See children, you have to arrange the number according to the place value, ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000. Arrange it neatly and start do the addition from ones place number onwards. Ones place number here 0 plus 8, 8. 10th place 7 plus 0, 7. 100th place 2 plus 6, 8. 1000th place 8 plus 2, 10, 0 and 1 should be carry over. 10,000 place 0, 1 plus 4 plus 8, it is 13. So B sum is given for you as a practice sum. And coming to the C question, there are 3 numbers. So see children, we need to arrange the 3 numbers according to the place value, then start to the addition of a number from ones place number onwards. So here 900, need to add 18, 8 and 1 should be carry over. Then 10th place is 1 plus 8 plus 1 plus 9, it is 19, 9 and 1 should be carry over. 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 6, we have a 9 and thousands place 2 plus 4 plus 3, it is 9. And D sum is a homework for you, you have to try it. Second sum is estimate each sum, also find the exact. This is nothing but we need to do the addition of a number. First thing is exact addition, second thing is we need to do the round it off number and finally do the addition. So here first sum is 280 plus 387 is a round off nearest to 100 they given. So 280 is round off nearest to 300. 387 is round off nearest to 400. Now the exact addition is 0 plus 7 is 7, 8 plus 8 16, 6 and 1 should be carry over. 2 plus 1 plus 3 6. Exact addition is 667. Round off number after that estimated addition is 300 plus 400 is 700. Now coming to the second question, 4839 plus 2147. We are going to do the round off number nearest to 1000. First thing is 4839 is round off nearest to 5000. 2147 is round off nearest to 2000. Now the estimated addition is 5000 plus 2000 is 7000. Third sum is given for you. You have to do nearest to 1000 and find it out the exact addition and the estimated addition as a practice sum. Next model sum is subtraction. 79,208 minus 26,332. So we are going to do the subtraction. Write the number according to the place value, ones, tens, 100,000 and 10,000. Start the subtraction from ones place number onwards. Here 8 minus 2, it is 6. Next 10th place number 0 minus 3, not possible. Get the borrow from 100th place. Here 10 minus 3 is 7. Next 100th place is we have 1 minus 3 is not possible, get the borrow from thousands place. 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. Next thousands place 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 10,000s place 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. The answer is 52,876. B sum is the homework sum for you for the practice. Next C question is estimate each difference, also find the exact. So as we did in the addition sum, we did the round off number and find it out the exact addition and the estimated addition. Similarly we are going to find it out the difference, that is subtraction sum, exact subtraction and the estimated subtraction. So first thing is 562 minus 289. Exact subtraction is 2 minus 9 is not possible, get the borrow from a 10th place number. 12 minus 3 8 12 minus 9 is 3. 15 minus 8 is 7 and 4 minus 2 is 2. 562 minus 289 is 273 is the exact one. Next round off to 560 2 is round off nearest to 100. The answer is 600. 289 is round off nearest to 300. The estimated subtraction is 600 minus 300 is 300. And one more sum is given for you as a practice sum. Next model sum is solve step by step. So listen children, we have addition and subtraction sums together. First step we need to do the addition, second step do the subtraction. For example, 4617 plus 2415 minus 5918. So first step is to do the addition as I put the arrow mark here. Addition 4617 plus 2415. The answer is 7032. So second step, need to write the 7032 in the first number and that remaining number 5918 should be subtracted from that. So 7032 minus 5918 is the second step. Do the subtraction and the answer is 1114. So similarly, B sum is 1359 minus 979 plus 2648. First step need to do the addition. So the arrow marks goes from first number to the third number. Do the addition and the answer is 4007. Now the second step we need to do the subtraction. 4007 minus 979. The answer is 3028. C sum is given for you as a practice sum. That's it children. We completed the 2 marks revision. Last Roman letter revision is a word problem. Solve. We have 2 sums. 2 5s are 10 marks. Exercise 2.2 in page number 30. Exercise 2.4 in page number 36. Exercise 2.6 in page number 39. So we have to solve the word problems. Whenever we are going to attend the word problems, 3 things have to your mind children. First thing is read the question thoroughly. Second thing is frame the sentence and find it out which operation we are going to do. Either it may be addition or subtraction. And finally you have to do the solution for the questions. Let me explain one more example for you. Word problems you have to go through with the CW children. Only one sum I will give a revision to you. Here example sum 2670 cars can be parked in a parking lot. On Monday morning 947 cars are parked there. How many more cars can be parked? That is a question. So first thing is read the question thoroughly and understand and find it out what operation we are going to do with this. So the given number of total number of cars parked in this area and how many were there parked now and how many still can be parked. That is a question. So need to do the subtraction. Next thing is a statement. Number of cars can be parked is equal to 2670. Number of cars parked on Monday 947. Number of cars that can still be parked is equal to do the subtraction 2670 minus 947. So the answer is 1723 more car can be parked in this parking lot. That's it children. We completed the revision section today. All the best children. Do your exams well. Write neatly. Take more space for the sums and write the answers without any mistakes. Check your answers once again after finishing your exam. Thank you children.